Flying with first-person view is a major new trend in drone technology. This is a key feature for Microdrone 3.0. We provide everything you need for an affordable and immersive flying FPV experience. We've got the Google Cardboard VR headset, we've got the long-range transmitter, and we've got the smartphone along with the accompanying app. We've got the Microdrone 3.0 and then the camera module for live streaming video. Prepare the FPV viewer for your smartphone. You can attach a strap to hold it on your head for hands-free flying. Adjust the length so it's comfortable to wear. Launch the app, open the fly screen, and select 3D split screen for FPV. Adjust the smartphone so it fits securely and you're good to go. If you're new to flying FPV, start with simple maneuvers, or double up with a friend and let them fly the drone while you wear the headset. There are clubs and meetups for FPV races setting up all around the world. We encourage you to get involved and experience this amazing technology.